with Cedar Rutledge.
What's going on, guys? Today we are at Supercross, and holy crap, is this place insane.
It is insane. We are in the pits right now. There's places everywhere. We got Johnny here as well.
Hey, guys.
Faith and Johnny. But yeah, it's awesome. Oh, that's a nice truck. but yeah.
Dude, so we're gonna do a little tour around here and see what we can get into, and then we're gonna check out the race later on.
Look at this. I just noticed he's got an FMF exhaust. Two of them.
Oh my god.
That's awesome. It's the same one I had on my drum. That's awesome. On a little mini. The race is about to start, but we're both pretty hungry, so
no pickles, but tomatoes.
I got me some Papa John's because I'm so picky.
We'll be right back.
This is what we need right here. Is this what we need?
This is what we need at Mount Lake.
So we got an interview going on. To Justin we go.
The track's pretty gnarly today, right? Got a lot of power in the mid-range, or is it high end or low?
It's pretty high end.
Trying to win a free GoPro?
I'm trying.
Could always use another one. Of course you can't come to a Monster Energy event. But free Monster. I don't know. Give this guy a shot. Can't see. Yeah. Can't leave till we chug it. Bet you won't. Bet you won't.
I bet you won't chug it.
It's gone.
No.
Nah. Checking out this new bionic armor. It's kind of like the Icon chest armor stuff. But this actually will go underneath your jacket. Like, it'll be perfect for this. So I have protection, but I don't have to worry about wearing a big jacket and all that. So it's the kids version, but definitely a lot nicer. It's got that stretchy material, so it's great in the summer.
Yeah, we checked it out earlier when we got here, and this was the one thing that we saw that we really liked. And they were like, "Oh, it's new." Of course, it's new, but yeah, really small, really thin stuff.
Like
but
C level 2 chest and then one on the front or on the elbow pads and the back.
yeah,
So
perfect for getting some protection, but being able to breathe as well instead of going with a full armor like this.
way too much for what we're using, but
Yeah.
it'd be definitely great for Kyle for around the stunt lot and stuff like.
I might end up getting it. Hit me up, Alpine Stars. We also checked out these helmets earlier. These helmets are supposed to be super lightweight, and they look.
I think you said like less than 3 pounds.
Yeah, they look awesome. I wish we could touch, but we cannot.
Like carbon fiber.
So we got a couple different colors, but yeah, all carbon fiber. This is definitely my favorite. But
I
yeah,
wonder what the price tag is going to be though.
I have no idea. I probably won't be able to afford it, but really nice stuff. We are heading to the actual track event right now. We're gonna check it out. This has been awesome so far.
Break out the camera a little bit, try to get some sweet, you know, dirt bike jumps and stuff.
Yeah, so he'll be working on pictures mostly. I'll try to get some video for you guys, so we're gonna see what happens. But right now practice is going on, so hopefully not too many people. Be right back. Guys, I just found my twin.
I can dig it.
Looks like fun.
Yeah.
We are finally in here, and it is loud. We ended up telling a guy we were photographers.
I mean, it looks like it, right?
Yeah, we both got cameras. We got in. There he comes. That's awesome. So they got jumps going on. Got the leaderboard at the top. It's really awesome. And we're like right next. We're on the front row. This is really awesome so far. What do you think about it, Justin? And Johnny? Johnny's sitting down.
We're like 20 feet away from the track.
Yeah, the track is literally
check it out,
right
look, check it out, look.
It's right there.
We got little kids going.
Yeah, the little kids are about to go. We finally had a break for a second, but the little kids are about to go, so here's some shots of that.
West Virginia, number 9, Stephen Henderson.
Number 7 in the lead. Get it. Get it. Heck yeah. Oh, look. He had a big run. He ain't going nowhere. He's trying to get over it. You can do it. You can do it. Yeah. Woo! So we just noticed number 12 is absolutely killing it. Everyone's killing it, but he is going so fast. Look at this kid. Look at him. Look at him go. Oh! But number 12 is still getting it. All right, guys, we got a new piece of equipment. We're going to get some awesome shots. Here it is.
The issue, and I know you know my style is official. I might give a scratch, or I might give a verse. Either or can be seen, cause it's gonna go on. And if you can't stick around, I'll show you what I mean. Not an imitator, just a crowd motivator, but it's time to get.
The bikes. Okay, we got. Tapped him. Yeah.
Cowie won.
Hines, Osborne, and
That's crazy.
the overall.
That whole photo was really, to be honest, I didn't get a great shot. I got jumped back in the first turn. And there were guys going down everywhere.
Oh guys, what a crazy day.
Super crazy day, awesome ending. We didn't really talk very much during the racing. It was loud, there was people all around us. You just couldn't hear anything, but Austin Fortner won, so that's awesome. So Cowie representing, and then Eli Tomac did pretty good.
Took second in the last main three.
Third overall, so not too bad.
It was an awesome event, and maybe next week we'll be in Daytona. Hopefully,
Maybe.
we'll find out. Dude.
It would be cool to do it again, so.
Holy crap! First Supercross event in person. Holy! Can't believe it took me 25 years to finally go to one, but damn, was it an experience! Like, thank you, Ron Johnny, for letting us out. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Know it's a little something different, but if you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up.
And if you want us to go to Daytona next week, let us know, even though this video will probably be out after Daytona.
More than likely.
It
All right,
might
guys.
come out then.
We'll see you later.
Later, guys.
Over with John.